Hey everyone, welcome back to Livy's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Today I am providing you guys with the very first plan with me for Livy's Lovelies. I was asked to do one by one of the subscribers, so this one is for you if you're watching. Hopefully you are. I am only going to be using the sticker sheets that I found at Walmart in the all Glam planner sticker sheet set, in addition to some washi tape. So throughout this quick little plan with me video, those are the items that I'm going to be using. Nothing more. I think I'll use a pen. Aside from that, everything is washi and stickers. So the first thing I do is I usually take my sheets out of the book, just so that I'm not fumbling with other notes that are inside of my planner. Right now I'm just going to go through and select the stickers that I want to use for each day. And I'm not doing it in any particular order, just which ones inspire me for which day, which ones will go best throughout the week. Thursdays, I need some motivation to make it to Friday. So that's where this Go Girl sticker comes in. And I think that this sticker says something about fabulous. And I thought, if I make it to Saturday, I am in fact quite fabulous. So that needs to go there. I made it. It's been a successful week, and I'd like to remind myself of that. I don't spend too much, I don't use too much of my space with the larger stickers because I really need as much of my scheduling area as possible. Not so much in the mornings, but the afternoons and the evenings. Mornings are typically homeschool classwork in addition to appointments. And so I do have the ability to, get decorative there, but I try not to use too much of the space for the decor. I want to make it pretty, but it still has to be functional. So for this particular week, I'm really just going with the mauve theme that they have: gold, white, and black. And so the stickers that I use, in addition to the rest of the washi, is going to be along the lines of that. And so I am going to pause my voiceover and just set the rest to music, and hopefully you'll follow along until the very end. Thanks. Okay, so this layout is done for the week of September 9th through the 15th. Although the Happy Planner has the 10th through the 16th, my actual week starts on the 9th in my mind and it ends on the 15th. And so I hope you followed along with me. I hope this layout has inspired you to pull out some stickers or some washi or whatever you have, or run over to Walmart and grab yourself a set of the All Glam Girl stickers, which are very reasonably priced. Again, I think I mentioned in my last video that they were about $4.88 for a set of 15 sheets, and then it was $6 and some change for the 30 sheets. So, you know, I did end up trimming some of the stickers to fit the layout, and they are not all sized specifically for the Happy Planner. It's really sized for their planner. But for all that it's worth, I think these were a great fit. I like the variety that the pack offers, and I also like that it also complements some of the things that I already have in my stash right now. So after I add this little bit of washi, I think I will be done here. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and feel free to share this video on your social media so that we can grow our crafting and planning community. I look forward to seeing you back here, and until we see each other again, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.